everyone, I am Charmin D. Belande and I am one of the presenter of Unit 3 Lesson 7, and today we are going to discuss about the center-based learning and multiple intelligences, and we will also discuss the characteristics of center-based learning and multiple intelligences. Center-based learning is a learner-centered educational environment that focuses on providing and expanding possibilities for various learning styles and interactive teaching techniques. So here are the characteristics of centered-based learning. So the first one is the voice and the second one is the choice. So in a truly student-centered learning environment, students have voice and choice. So students construct their goals and have voice and choice in determining what, how, when, and where the learning occurs. So the third one is competency-based progression. So competency-based progression acknowledges the fact that all students learn differently and should be allowed to progress at different paces while still demonstrating their knowledge. The last one is continuous monitoring of students' needs. As a teacher, it is your responsibility to continue monitoring your students. So for you to be able to know if your students learn with your lessons, you must give them an assessment wherein you will be able to know if you teach effectively to them. Multiple intelligences. So each person possesses capacities in all 9 intelligences, which interacts ways that are unique to individual. Gardner also stated that with the right motivation and guidance, almost everybody has the potential to develop and all 9 intelligences to reasonably high level of performance. Let's move on to the characteristics of multiple intelligences. The first one is verbal linguistic or word smart. So it is the ability to use words effectively, abstract reasoning, symbolic thinking, conceptual patterning, reading, and writing. The next one is logical or mathematical or number smart. The capacity to use numbers effectively and to reason well. Includes sensitivity to logical patterns and relationships, statements and populations, functions, and other related abstractions. The next one is musical or music smart. It is the capacities such as the recognition of and the use of rhythmic and tonal patterns and sensitivity to sounds from the environment, the human voice, and musical instruments. The next one is the spatial intelligence or picture smart. So it is the ability to perceive the visual spatial world accurately and transformation upon those perceptions. So the next one is bodily kinesthetic or body smart. So it is the ability to use the body to express emotion, to play a game, and to create a new product. The next one is the intrapersonal intelligence or self-smart. Self-knowledge and the ability to act adaptively on the basis of this knowledge. So it includes possessing an accurate self-image, awareness of inner moods and intentions, motivation, temptations, and desires. So the next one is interpersonal intelligence or people smart. It is the ability to work cooperatively with others in small groups as well as the ability to communicate verbally and non-verbally with other people. The next is the naturalistic intelligence or nature smart. So it is the ability to recognize patterns in nature and classify objects, the mastery of taxonomy, sensitivity to other features of the natural world, and an understanding of different species. So the last one is the existential intelligence or the thinking smart. So it is the ability to to pose and ponder questions about life, death, and ultimate realities like who are we and what is the meaning of life. This is a human response to being alive in all ways. That's all. Thank you for listening.